So we are looking here at the complete basic computer layout. I'm gonna quickly go with some overview of what do we have here. This is a place for CPU. The cooler is because the CPU uses high frequencies and takes a lot of voltage. I don't know, for example, this computer, this CPU, but as you can see, all dust. But it eats around 50 to 150 watts of power depending on the CPU you're using. So this gets very hot. So they add coolers to CPUs, and make sure you see this one is very dusty, but still there are some spaces. And if for example you're running a computer and you put a finger here and it's very cold, it may be because the thermal paste or the CPU is not, the heatsink is not placed correctly. So you need to check this. This always has to be very warm, even hot, and make sure this also spins. So if your computer is running very slowly and turns off many times, then start with CPU. So and here we have the RAM cards. Different computers have different sockets for these cards. So this has DDR2 and total of 4 gigabits of RAM, which is actually not very bad. And here we have the hard disk, and here we store our memory, all data and everything, Windows or Linux or whatever you're using. And maybe people think, what do we need RAM for? So RAM stores all active sessions that you're currently using. That is designer's program pictures on it, that is internet on it, that is all softwares that are currently running, because hard disk sometimes is very slow and you need RAM cards to make things go faster. And not only faster, but the computer needs to have something on it, like in instant memory, so you can drag and copy and paste files. Another thing is we have this power supply unit, which PCU, and many times I've fixed computers, and this PSU lasts like 2 years, and the computer just restarts and restarts and restarts. Then you need to throw this out or fix it. I have not fixed it any time, but you can throw it out. And actually there's nothing much to see here. You need to plug these whatever, the connectors. This has 4 and another socket. Then you plug the CD-ROM in this wire, but we don't use any CD-ROMs. And then you plug the power cables to the hard disk, and you plug the cooler connectors, and we're good to go. This doesn't have a video card, this has an integrated video card, so it's a basic computer. And thanks for watching. Bye.